Hi guys, welcome back to Wig It Up Wednesday. Today I'm coming to you guys with a wig video. So if you have a wig that is just crusty, old looking, tangled, and all this other stuff, and you just want to get it together, then this is the video for you. What I'm going to do now is detangle the hair using a Y2 comb, and it's important for y'all to start from the bottom and work your way up. Do not start from the top. It's going to be a lot harder to detangle this hair. You're going to spend hours versus minutes. So I'm going to do this, and then I will be washing this hair. Now I'm going to put hot water, as hot as you can stand it, in the sink. And I'm doing this because once I put the wig in the sink, I want it to break down all of the products that I have put in there and just all of the dirt and everything like that. And y'all going to see what I'm talking about in a second. Just submerge the wig into the water like I'm doing right here. And if you a person that doesn't like hot water, you can always use something to push the wig down, but this is essentially what I wanted to do, or what I'm going for. And I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, and I had to put some more water because it wasn't enough, but I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes before I actually start washing the wig. This is the shampoo that I'm choosing to use. I got it like years ago with this brand, like years ago, and I just stuck with it for all of my wigs. But you can use really any shampoo that you feel comfortable with. It doesn't have to be this exact brand. But what you're gonna do, and y'all see how dirty that water is? Oh my God. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wash the hair, but you're gonna use, you're gonna do it in a downward motion because you don't wanna tangle your hair and all that other stuff while you're washing it. And I'm just going to put this shampoo everywhere to get all that dirt out of here, all of it. Like, I want it all gone. When rinsing this wig, I chose to use warm water. You can use cold water as well. I personally don't, especially if I'm not finished washing the wig, I'm not finished doing things with the wig. I use warm into my last rinse. And then I'm going to wash the hair one more time, because if y'all didn't notice before, the hair was dipping into the dirty water. So I'm just going to wash this one more time just to make sure that we got all that dirt out, and then condition the hair. Girl, look at them curls. Okay, I'm so excited. All right. All right, y'all. For this one, I used some virgin coconut oil. I warmed it up. I only did a tablespoon, and I added my conditioner in there and mix it up. Now your girl was struggling because she ran out of conditioner, but I made it work. So after you're done mixing that up, you're going to put it on your wig, and you're going to put this conditioner all over your wig. I mean, all over. Be sure to save a little bit because I personally focus on the areas where it had the most tangle. Y'all can't tell me these curls aren't nice. Like, oh my god, I just love seeing a wig just come back to life. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty. Look how cute. All right, y'all. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm taking a Denman brush and I'm just going to brush my hair, doing the same thing, starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top. I'm just going to make sure that it's all, you know, smooth and still detangled and all that good stuff. And I am just going to do this. And if you have some more conditioner, after you go ahead and brush it, just put a little bit in your hand and just run your hands down. You know, I don't know why I do that, to be honest with y'all, but it makes me feel better. So so because this is the last wash, I am using cold water only. I think it looks like I put both hot and cold. However, I normally just use cold water. It looks like I'm using warm though, so don't mind that. So this is the wig after I have washed it, and now I'm just styling it how I like it to be styled on a regular basis. You can put this wig on a mannequin head, a bedpost, really whatever will hold it, and I'm just going to let it air dry. I'm not going to put any heat to this wig, any of it. And this is the final result. So looking at this wig, I realized one thing, guys. I forgot to do this. Whenever it was wet, I normally take just a tad bit of oil and I run it through the wig while it's wet so it'll keep those curls from getting frizzy. Totally forgot to do that, but it's okay because the wig still came out nice. But this is the result of the wash. I love it. I hope you guys do too. Let me know if you have any comments, any questions, anything. Just, you know, like and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.